Kevin asked Olivia what parallel lines are. Olivia responded, "They are lines that never intersect." What important piece of information is missing from Olivia's response? So Olivia is right. We know that parallel lines are lines that never intersect. But there is one more part that we have to add to this definition. So if we look at our choices here, letter A is the most common wrong answer. The lines must be straight. All lines are straight. So just because two lines are straight, that does not mean they're parallel. So A is not the correct answer. We also can automatically eliminate D because D says the lines form four right angles. Well, we know that lines that form right angles when they intersect are called perpendicular lines, not parallel lines. So D is not the correct answer. So even if you weren't sure the answer to this question, you could automatically eliminate two choices, and now even if you have to guess, you have a 50% chance of getting the answer right. But here we don't have to guess on this because we do know the answer. So parallel lines must be in the same plane. So they are lines that never intersect and are in the same plane. And the vocabulary word for in the same plane is coplanar. So the correct answer here is B. So a correct definition of parallel lines would be two lines that are in the same plane and never intersect, or two lines that are coplanar and never intersect.